Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this smoky half cut crease look, and I've used lots of browns and golds today, and I paired it with a nude brown lip. So it's a monochromatic brown cut crease look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial, and first I'm going to be using the Stay Matte primer from Rimmel. I moisturize my skin using a sheet mask from Garnier, and I did a review today about this sheet mask, and it's in the link above, and it's the Garnier sheet mask for combination skin. First I'm going to apply the primer. I took a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use a big fluffy foundation brush. This one is from Zoeva, the buffer brush. Next thing is I'm going to apply my Lasting Matte Foundation from Rimmel, and this is in the shade 203 True Beige. And I'm going to use the Zoeva buffer brush to blend this in. Okay, so this is all the foundation blended. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the concealer, the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Medium. Now I'm going to blend the concealer using the Models Prefer Airbrush Concealer Brush. Now I'm going to apply an eyeshadow primer. This is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm using the same concealer brush. Now I'm going to set my makeup using the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in the color Banana. I'm going to set under my eyes first. Now I'm going to use the same powder to set my foundation using a bigger fluffy brush. Now for bronzer, I'm going to use the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer, and this is in the shade Natural Blonde. And I'm using a brush from Blank Canvas Cosmetics, the F15. Now I'm just blending the bronzer with the bigger brush. Now I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R palette. First I'm using the Morphe E23 brush for the transition shade in my crease. going to use a deeper brown color on the outside and into my crease, and I'm using the Morphe M506 blending brush. I'm going to go back to the bigger blending brush and blend the edges of the dark brown color. Now I'm going to highlight under the brow bone, and I'm taking this big flat brush and a light cream color. Now I'm taking the small brush again and intensifying the dark brown on the outside corners of my eyes. Now back to the bigger brush to blend a bit more. Now moving on to the lower lashes, I'm going to take a pencil brush from Makeup Geek and the dark brown to apply that on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to blend the lower lashes with the lighter brown shade, and I'm using a angled brush from e.l.f. I'm just going to clean under my lower lashes using the same powder brush I used earlier to set my makeup. Now I'm going to use the NYX pigment primer. I'm taking a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm taking a flat concealer brush. Now I'm going to apply the pigment primer on the inside, going to the center of my eyelids on the mobile lid. Now for the pigment, today I'm using the LA Colors Iced Pigment in the shade Glowing. I'm going to apply the same pigment primer from NYX on the inside corners of my eyes, and I'm going to use another LA Colors Eyes pigment, and this is in the shade Flash. Now I'm just intensifying the edges of the light gold color, and I'm applying a little bit of brown, dark brown around it. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner using the Hyper Sharp Wing from Maybelline. Now I'm applying the mascara from the Colossal, from Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot mascara. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using my e.l.f. kit in the shade Dark. Now to contour even more, I'm just using the shade from the e.l.f. kit to contour my cheeks. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Live Speech blush. Now I'm using the Baked Gelato Illuminator from Laura Geller, and this is the shade Ballerina. Going to use the Britney lashes from the Chemist Warehouse range. Now I'm going to apply the false eyelashes. I did put some eyelash glue, and I used the dual lash glue. Now I have applied my false eyelashes. I'm going to do my lips, and I'm using the Morphe lip liner, and it's called Sugar Pie. Now Now this is the finished look, and now I'm going to apply the setting spray by Reyad Cosmetic, and this is in watermelon. Now this is the finished look. As you guys can see, I've done a smoky half cut crease look, and it's brown and has gold in it, and I paired it with a brown nude lipstick as well. And I've used some wispy lashes, and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!